Hello guys, this is how we can do the electrical conduit piping before the concrete. So actually it's a room of 4 points. In between is the middle junction where we can put the fan or lamp, and also it can be used to navigate with different points. So this is example of one room. This cup is of 3 inch or maybe 2 inch depend on the requirement, and this the distance between these 2 points depend on the light illumination. If we choose one brand like Philip, so we'll have to see its data sheet. In analyzing the data sheet, we can know how much maximum exposure it can give. So, for example, if this Philip bulb cover 5 centimeter, so the next cup will be placed at the end point of that 5 centimeter. So this is how we can do these electrical internal fitting. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.